Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto telo ne nyasi mar yango chenro mar keyo teko sitima ma ikawo kuom chieng' ma idendo ni Kenya Off-Grid Solar Access Project. Jatend piny noyango chwalo teko sitima mar sola e kauntis 13 pacho kaendi ahinya mantiere kuonde ma oro ng'enye kendo pok oyudo sitima nyaka kawuono. Nyasi no mane obagi Stima Club e boma ma Nairobi okelo kanyakla kambi mar keyo teko sitima pacho ka men Kenya Power kachiel kod mano mar REREC iketo sei mar chakruok chenro madhi muonyo maromo bilion 11.6.
I have given very firm instructions to the ministry, to REREC, and to Kenya Power to develop a mechanism where we will light up those estates and those areas of Nairobi. It cannot be that in the capital city of Kenya, there are citizens living in darkness. For communities far from the national grid, solar power offers the most practical, cost-effective, and immediate solution. That is why the government of Kenya, in partnership with the World Bank, is implementing the Kenya Off-Grid Solar Access Project, commonly known as COSAP. Through the last mile connectivity program under the Kenya Power, 1.2 million customers have already been connected through REREC. We remain committed to achieving a 100% clean energy grid by 2030.